They can move them slow, precise. And if you do move, it's within the context of the dialogue.
I heard a noise. First I thought it was next door, but it wasn't. It was in the parking lot. I looked outside the window, through the blinds. The sun was shining. Just stripes all over my naked body. I'm a tiger. I can pounce at any moment. I heard her first. And then I saw her. She was wearing a blue dress. Her hair tied back. She was glowing. Like the sun. She was grunting. A little bit of moaning she was grunting. As she played with the ball. She was throwing it up into the air, as far as she could, towards the sky, and catching it. And that dress was rising on her leg, showing me her thigh, inch by inch. And every time she threw it, just teasing me. I'm peering back from my lair behind my window. Like this stress rising higher and higher as she plays with the ball. I'm a tiger. Sweet. Perfect. Mute.
A pedophile believes that what they were doing is right. I mean, maybe they think it's wrong, but in that moment, when they are the tiger, they are thinking what they're doing is right. So you know what I'm saying? I mean, just like we were auditioning off-Broadway the women for Jane Ho, they had to, you know, it wasn't an audition, it was a play about prostitution. The audition was, what are your views on prostitution? And women would go, oh, it's disgusting. Next. But but the women that would say, well, they're entitled to their beliefs. They would say, okay, we'll hear what they have now audition. Because, like I bring this up before, King of Scotland, Idi Amin, he believed Forrest Whitaker, he believed what he was doing was right, which made him believable in the character. Putting what I put in your head made it acceptable, right? And it worked. I mean, in my mind, when I played a pedophile, there's no way in my mind I can, I have to substitute it with a beautiful woman. And that's the only way it'll work. To put her in front of you, almost to the point where you can reach out and touch her. Feel those 30-year-old breasts. No, that's what makes it believable.
Like Jeffrey, you know that.
And now that I have a blue leather coat. No, but see what I'm saying? It made it believable. In my mind, I can't put a 7-year-old there. I mean, I was training someone to play a pedophile, and he couldn't do it. But when I put a 21-year-old in front of him, that motherfucker, he could.